Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to explain previous year JEE Mains examination questions from the chapter Definite Integration. Okay, right. Without wasting your valuable time, let us directly start our class. So the value of minus integral minus 1 to 1 x square e to the power of step of x cube dx, where the symbol indicates greatest integer function. The question was asked in 2021 JEE Mains examination. Okay, then how to do this problem? So very easy. It takes it carries 4 marks. Not even 4 steps are also there, not there for this solution. Okay, the first thing what you have to remember is, see here, minus 1 to 1. So this is the interval belongs to x. That means x is belongs to minus 1 to 1. Understand this? X belongs to minus 1 to 1. So in the interval only we should integrate the function x square into e power step of x cube. Okay, x square is very clear. E is okay. Step of x cube. What is step of x cube? Already I told that the step function, modulus function, these functions will change their behavior in the certain intervals. So now I will divide this interval into minus 1 to 0, comma, some minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, like that. You can take no problem. Minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1. From minus 1 to 0, what is your step of x cube value? And here from 0 to 1, what is your step of x cube value? From 0 to 1, if you take anything 0 0.5, 0 point whole cube, again 0.1 thing will come, so its value is 0. Understand? So what is x cube from minus 1 to 0? So if you take minus 1 to 0, any value, if you take minus 1 to 0, so for example minus 0.5 whole cube, again you will get minus 0 point something. So this is equal to minus 1. So in the interval minus 1 to 0, step of x cube value is minus 1. In the interval from 0 to 1, step of x cube value is 0. If you have that basic idea, the problem is very easy. Now what I am going to do is, I am separating that interval using properties of definite integration. Minus 1 to 0 x square into e power step of x cube dx plus 0 to 1 x square into e power step of x cube dx. So understand this, minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So this is minus 1 to 0 x square into e power. From minus 1 to 0, so what is our step of x cube value? Minus 1 plus dx, of course. 0 to 1 x square into e power step of x cube. When 0 to 1 step of x cube value is how much? 0. So this is 0 d power x. So e power minus 1 will become constant, that is 1 by e. Take 1 by e common outside. This is x cube by 3 whole 0 to 1 plus e power 0 is 1. So this is x cube by 3 upper limit, lower limit. Okay now. So this is 1 by e is upper limit is 0, lower limit is minus 1 by 3. Already minus is there, plus 1 by 3. Plus upper limit is 1 by 3, lower limit is 0. So this is equal to, if you take 1 by 3 common, 1 plus e. So therefore your final answer is 1 by 3 times 1 by e plus 1. 1 by e plus 1. So here 1 by 3 take common outside, here 1 by e plus 1. So very easy problem this is. The only thing is, first whenever this step x cube or modulus of x or step of x is came, you divide the interval. Okay, you divide the interval, definitely you will get the answer. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to another problem. So this is evaluate limit extends to 0, integral from 0 to x square sine of root t dt upon x cube. Okay, now generally what we will do, we will first do, even though it is a limit problem, it comes under definite integration only. Okay, right. X tends to 0, wherever x is there, substitute 0. So 0 to 0 square. 0 square means what? 0 to 0. Therefore, integral 0 to 0 is equal to how much? 0. Okay, already we have one property. Integral a to a f of x dx is equal to how much? 0. So therefore, the numerator you got 0 upon denominator x cube, that means 0 cube 0. So 0 by 0, which is indeterminate form, that is not your answer. So there should be your answer should be finite value. So see the options. Okay. Then how to do? Just L'Hospital rule we will do. What is L'Hospital rule? L'Hospital rule. Then we have to differentiate the numerator and the denominator. Denominator is very clear, x cube derivative is 3x square. Then how to find out the derivative of the numerator? For that we have Leibniz rule. Leibniz, we can call it as a Leibniz rule. What is that Leibniz rule? I am telling. Okay. So if it is a d by dx of integral of pi of x to phi of x to phi of x, whatever may be that. So if it is a f of x dx is there, any function is there, if you want to find out. So first thing what you have to find out is, first whatever may be the upper limit function, you substitute in this function, that is f of phi of x. Whatever may be the upper limit, you substitute, just simply substitute into what is the derivative of the upper limit function, that is phi dash of x minus whatever may be the limit, lower limit function, just you simply substitute in that, that is equal to f of phi of x into what is phi of x derivative into phi dash of x. That's all. That means substitute, find the write the derivative, minus substitute, write the derivative. That's all. Right. Now coming to our problem. So our problem is a limit x tends to 0. Then how to find out? What is the upper limit function here? X square. Lower limit function 0. Now what I told? Simply substitute x square in the function root to t. Here variable is t. That's why this is equal to sine of root of x square into x square derivative 2x minus sine of what is the lower limit x, simply substitute here. Actually it is 0, I am writing. What is the derivative of 0? 0 upon x cube derivative 3x square. Understand this? Right. So coming to here, so this is equal to limit x tends to 0. Root of x square, actually speaking root of x square is modulus of x, but we will take it as a positive. We will take it as a positive. So this is equal to 2x into sine of mod x, that is 0 by 3x square. We can write it as a x, we can write it, no problem. Okay, here x, 1x will get cancel. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0. Even though you put modulus of x, no problem. So why? Because if upper left hand side limit, right hand side limit, modulus of x is equal to x only, right? So this is equal to 2 by 3 times sin x by x. So this value is 1, 2 by 3, that is 2 upon 3 is the correct answer. So this was the problem asked in 2021 JEE Mains examination for 4 marks. This problem can be done using Leibniz rule. So without this rule, you can almost, it is not possible to do this problem. Okay, right? I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to this problem. So this problem comes under area under the curve. Very clear. The area in square units of the part of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 36, which is outside of the parabola y square is equal to 9x. Here clearly there is a circle and a parabola. First I will try to draw the circle and parabola. Let us see what happens. So here clearly this is a x axis and it is y axis, x axis. x square plus y square is equal to 36. Okay, the center is 0 comma 0, radius is r. So this is a circle with center 0 comma 0, radius is equal to 6 square, that is this point is 6 comma 0. Okay, now right. Y square is equal to 9x is a parabola passing through origin, lies entirely in first and third quadrant, that is everybody knows that. So this is a y square is equal to 9x parabola. Now the question is, see here, which is the area of the part of the circle. So this is should be the part of the circle, it should be a part of the circle which is outside of the parabola, that is exterior of the parabola. So what is the exterior of the parabola means? This is the area you required, this area, that area I required. Then how to solve this problem? I will do one thing. Okay, I will do one thing. So how to proceed? Instead of finding that area, I will find out this area I will find out blue color, this area. Okay, that area I require. So now the required area, that means the red color part, is equal to the circle area minus blue color area. Circle area we know, radius is r, pi r square, 36 pi. From that, if you subtract the area of this blue colored shaded part, then we want required area. Then how to find out that? So very easy. To find out that, we have to find out the point of, the first one thing is, this is a symmetric about, this is a symmetric graph in the whatever may be the, in the top of the x-axis and bottom of the x-axis, both are same. That's my 2 times, from 0 to here, here to here, 2 times if I take, total area I will get. Then what is the point of intersection of this parabola and circle? See here, x square plus y square means how much? 9x minus 36 is equal to 0. X square plus 9x minus 36 is equal to 0. Therefore, so this is a x minus 6. No, x minus 6 it cannot be written. So therefore, x square, y square value is 9x, y square value 9x, I have substituted, take a 36. Now find out the factors here. 1 into minus 36, so this is a minus 36, we have to get 9, right, or 12 3s are. So therefore, this is x plus 12, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 12 or x is equal to 3. Here x is equal to minus 12 can be discarded. Therefore, x is equal to 3. X coordinate is 3. What about y coordinate? If it is x is equal to 3, substitute here 3, 9 3s are 27. Root of 27 means 3 root 3. This is 3 root 3. So we got the point of intersection of the parabola and area. So I will find out the blue color area. This blue color area I am finding. This is given by 2 times, sorry, I will take this pen. So this is 2 times, that means top and bottom. So I am finding top, 2 times integral 0 to 3. So what is this curve? Upper this curve is how much? This is a y square is equal to 9x. Therefore, y is equal to 3 root x dx plus integral 3 to 6. Integral 3 to 6. What is this curve? Circle. Circle we have written down y as a subject, that is equal to root of 36 minus x square dx. Root of 36 minus x square dx. Understand this? Now, let us find out this area very fast. This is equal to 3 into root x means how much? X to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1, that is a 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. Upper limit, lower limit. So, this is equal to integral root of 36, root of a square minus x square. that is equal to x by 2 into root of 36 minus x square plus a by 2 that is equal to 18 into sin inverse of x by a. X by a means 36. So, upper limit, lower limit. Okay now. So, if you calculate this, you will get the value. This is 3 root 3 plus 2 pi, 12 pi you will get. So, you try to calculate this value. Okay. So, you will get 3 root 3 plus 12 pi. I want the area of this red circle, red part, this area I want. Understand? Total circle area, circle radius is how much? R. That means pi r square. That is pi r square means r means 6 square 36 pi. 36 pi minus 3 root 3 plus 12 pi. 3 root 3 plus 12 pi. This is equal to 36 pi minus 12 pi, 24 pi. This is a 24 pi minus 3 root 3. So, option A is the right answer. Okay now. So, very nice problem. This is a very easy problem. Almost everybody can do this type of problems. Okay. The first thing you have to get is identifying the region. Which region area we have to find out. That identifying the area is very important. So, we have to identify this area. Afterwards, instead of finding this red part area, find the total circle area, which is easy, and find the area of this blue color. So, this will be divided into two parts. So, up to here. So, here 0 to 3 parabola, 3 to 6 circle. Okay. So, if you take this, and here you have to remember the formula root of a square minus x square. Root of a square minus x square is equal to x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 root of sin inverse of x by a square means 36 by 2 sin inverse x by a means 36. Substitute and get the answer. You will get 3 root 3 plus 12 pi. Okay. Right. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to this problem. So, see here by seeing this problem, so don't be get any tension or anything. First read the problem, what is given data, right? F of x be a differentiable function defined on the interval 0 to 2. Okay, in the interval 0 to 2, it is a differentiable function, right? That is a continuous and differentiable, and it is given that f dash of x is equal to f dash of 2 minus x for all x belongs to 0 to 2, right? If f of 0 is equal to 1, f of 2 is equal to e square, then the value of 0 to 2 f of x dx. That means on the whole we have to find out the f of x function. For finding f of x function, what is the given data? The first given data is f dash of x is equal to f dash of 2 minus x. Second data is f of 0 is equal to 1. Third data is f of 2 is equal to e square. So, using those three data together, then let us try to find out the f of x value. Okay now. So, first I will take the first data. So, now solution. So, this is equal to f dash of x minus f dash of 2 minus x is equal to 0. So, I have taken this f dash of the left hand side. Now, to avoid this integration, we have to, to avoid this differentiation, let us integrate this on both sides. So, if we integrate on this both sides, what happens? This integration differentiation will get cancelled. So, this is equal to f of x minus this integration differentiation will cancel f of 2 minus x, but 2 minus x derivative you have to write down. You have to write down the derivative into minus 1. 2 minus x derivative is how much? Minus 1. Already minus is there, it is plus. It is equal to c. C is the constant of integration. Okay. So, to find out the constant of integration, so we have, so up to that this part is over. Okay. Next, let us use these and this. F of 0 is equal to 1. So, put x is equal to 0, what happens? You see, f of 0 plus f of 2 is equal to c. Okay. See here what happens? F of 0 value is how much? 1 plus f of 2 value is how much? E square. is equal to c. Understand? So, what is our constant of integration? 1 plus e square we got. So, on the whole, what is your function? F of x plus f of 2 minus x is equal to 1 plus e square. So, this is your function. F of x plus f of 2 minus x is equal to 1 plus e square. Now, what have to find out? 0 to 2 f of x dx. So, integrate this function from 0 to 2 on either side. Then what happens? Integral 0 to 2 f of x dx plus integral 0 to 2 f of 2 minus x dx is equal to integral 0 to 2 1 plus e square dx. That is integration. If you observe now, use the properties of definite integration. These two quantities are same. Yes, they are same. Why? Because we have property 0 to a f of x dx is same as 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So, 0 to 2 f of x dx same as 0 to 2 f of 2 minus x. That means these two quantities are same. That is why I can write down 2 times 0 to 2 f of x dx. Now, coming to the right hand side part here, 1 plus e square. 1 plus e square is a constant. How? Here we are differentiating with respect to, sorry, integrating with respect to x. That is why we can take 1 plus a square constant outside. Here 1 will remain, for 1 integration is x. So, this is a upper limit, lower limit, okay, 2 0. So, this is equal to 2 times 1 plus e square. These two will get cancelled. So, your 0 to f of x dx is equal to 1 plus e square. So, 1 plus e square will be your right answer. Such a easy problem, it is a very, very nice problem. So, generally students by seeing this explanation part, by seeing that explanation part only, they simply avoid that problem. They skip the problem and they will go for next problems. No need, no need. So, very, very easy. The first thing is differentiation is there. We have to remove that differentiation. For that, we did integration. See here, constant of integration. To find the whenever such type of hints are given, always remember f of 0 is equal to f of 1 is equal to f of 2. This such type of hints are given. It is understood that those are meant for to find the constant of integration. For finding constant of integration only, this type of conditions will be given. So, I applied this both the I have put x is equal to 0. So, I got this c value. After getting this, I want to find out integral from 0 to 2. I applied. Luckily, these two quantities are equal. These two quantities are equal. I applied and got the answer. Okay, now, right. I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us move to next problem. Welcome to this one more problem of area under the curve. Let us see this problem. This was also asked in 2021 JEE Mains examination. So, very, very easy problem this is. If you know the art of skill of drawing the diagram, the problem will be very easy. So, he is given the area of the region or x comma y such that this xy satisfies this inequality. So, what is that inequality? 5x square less than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to y, and it is also less than or equal to 2x square plus 9. So, if you avoid that less thans, first avoid the less thans, first see that what is there here. So, if you avoid this less thans, you have y is equal to 5x square, y is equal to 2x square plus 9. First avoid that less than or inequalities, whatever will be that less than. Let's take y is equal to 5x square, y is equal to 2x square plus 9. What are they? What are they? They are the parabolas. Very, very clear. So, let us take this as a x-axis and it is y-axis. Okay. Now, clearly y is equal to 5x square is a parabola passing through origin and lies entirely in first and second quadrants. So, this is y is equal to 5x square. Okay, now, next one y is equal to 2x square plus 9 parabola is also a parabola. it is plus 9. Actually, see here, if it is y is equal to x square, it also passes through the origin. Plus 9 means what? It will go upward, plus 9 here, 9. We can do like this, otherwise you can do. We can do like this. Right. This is a one graph, this is a another graph, definitely. Okay now, right. This is two graphs are intersecting at, definitely they are intersecting. Okay now. Then which region we have to find out? The area of the region bounded in between these two curves. In between these two curves. Which region we have to take? See here. If observe here, y, if you said y greater than or equal to 5x square. So this curve is y is equal to 5x square curve. This curve is y is equal to 2x square plus 9 curve. Y greater than or equal to 5x square means with the points which satisfies this inequality, that means upward, and y less than or equal to 2x square plus 9 means what? The points which belongs to the downward. So this is the area. This area you want to require. Understand this? Okay. So to find out this very clearly, this is a symmetric figure. So if you find out the area of this part, the problem will be if you multiply with 2 times, total area you will get. So this is equal to A is equal to 2 times 0 to, so this is x is equal to 0. What is this region? X is equal to, you have to solve these two equations. What is this equation? Y is equal to 5x square, y is equal to x square plus 9. You will get the point of intersection. 5x square is equal to 2x square plus 9. This is 3x square is equal to 9. So x square is equal to 9. So x is equal to root 3. X is equal to root 3. So from 0 to root 3, what is the upper curve? So this is a 2x square plus 9 minus, what is the lower curve? 5x square. 5x square dx. So this is 2 times 0 to root 3, 2x square minus 3x square, 9 minus 3x square dx. Now you calculate this answer, you will get 12 root 3. Understand this clearly? The answer is 12 root 3 is your answer. Very, very nice problem. So I hope that you understand this solution. So with some more problems and some more concepts, and tomorrow's class I will stand before you. Until then, all the best.